Good afternoon, YouTube. What's going on? It's Nasal Sean back at it with some Destiny 2. Sorry, guys, if I sound an octave lower. I have a nasty cold. I guess all that traveling and stuff caught up with me from going to LA, and then I think I put about 25 videos up since last Thursday. But anyway, latest Destiny 2 news. The This Week at Bungie just hit, so let's go through it. So last week we got to see a new strike, we got to see the overall presentation of where we're going, the basic story, the first story mission or part of the first story mission, the new subclasses, all that stuff I recorded and have it uploaded on my channel. Links will be in the description. So they recap that, but then they move into talking about code. And they mention the term dedicated servers, and we get some pretty good clarification on how the networking is going to be for Destiny 2. Now, there's an interview with Matt Segur, and he's going to talk all about the networking, code, and so forth. And that was a big concerning question everyone had about why no dedicated servers. So straight up, that's one of the questions. So why no dedicated servers? Matt goes on to say, every activity in Destiny 2 is hosted by one of our servers. That means you will never again suffer from host migration during your raid attempt or trials match. This differs from Destiny 1, where these hosting duties were performed by player consoles and only script and mission logic in the data center. To understand the foundation on which we're building, check out this Destiny 1 presentation from GDC. I'm going to link that in the description. Using the terms from this talk in Destiny 2, both mission hosts and physics hosts will run in our data centers. Now, to me, that kind of sounds, well, to the layman's term, average person, it sounds like, wait, dedicated servers? So the next question is, wait, so we do have dedicated servers? Matt goes on to say, we don't use that term because in the gaming community, dedicated servers refers to pure client-server networking models. Destiny 2 uses a hybrid of client-server and peer-to-peer technology, just like Destiny 1. The server is authoritative over how the game progresses, and each player is authoritative over their own movement and abilities. This allows us to give players the feeling of immediacy in all their moving and shooting, no matter where they live, no matter whom they choose to play with. Now, the next question is kind of funny because I know everyone accuses companies when they don't have dedicated servers, it's about money and they're greedy. All right, they go, why peer-to-peer? Are we trying to save money? Matt goes, nope. We're heavily invested in a new server infrastructure for Destiny 2, including using cloud servers for gameplay for the first time. We really believe this is the best model for all of Destiny 2's varied cooperative and competitive experiences. Engineering will always involve trade-offs and cost-benefit analysis, but as a team, we've got no regrets about the unique technology we've built from Destiny 2. Then he's asked, does this mean I'll never see a player warp around the map or shoot me through a wall again? Matt says, we think those controller throwing lag-induced moments will be reduced for Destiny 2, but we can't promise they'll be eliminated. Fundamentally, we're trying to strike a balance between three hard problems. 1. Make the game feel responsive. 2. Make the game accessible to players all over the world. And 3. Make the game fair for all. We'll continue to refine that balance as players engage with the Crucible in Destiny 2. So what can we expect at launch? And Matt goes on to say, we have a beta coming this summer, and I'm predicting it's going to be 7/17/17. He says, we have a beta coming this summer that will be the first chance for players to get their hands on Destiny 2 and kick the tires on its networking. We have spent a bunch of time working on matchmaking, latency, and responsiveness, and we feel pretty good about it. As with everything we do, we'll be monitoring the situation after launch and reacting to the community's feedback. So the Cliff Notes version is, well, no dedicated servers, but they're doing their best to improve connection in Destiny 2 compared to Destiny 1. I always say for myself, look, I usually don't have that much of a problem with connection just because of my location. I'm in New York City. I have a lot of people to connect to. But I do feel for people that live abroad. They live in certain areas where they don't have a lot of people. Let's play the beta and figure out and actually see how this all works and actually address the beta. Your next obvious question is, when is the beta? And they say, we're still tracking toward a summer time frame. We're locking down dates and prepping builds. As soon as we know for sure, we'll upgrade the beta forecast from its current status of soon with exact dates. And I'm still saying 7/17/2017. Now, that's the cliff notes and meat and potatoes, so to speak, of everything. But, of course, Deej always has to leave a tease right at the end. He says, up next, we'll see you at E3. So, we know they're going to be there. I'm pretty sure it leaked out, or a long time ago. We saw that Activision is going to have a pretty large booth. Remember, last year, I think they really didn't have any type of booth. But this year, they have Call of Duty World War II. We obviously have Destiny 2. So, what do you think they're going to show at E3? Right now, I have no idea. I'm wondering, is it going to be just what we saw just now? Is it going to be the strike, the initial story, some PvP? Or are we going to see some more stuff? Are we going to see another destination? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. I'm hoping we get to see some more stuff. I do. And I hopefully, I hope that they release... I can't talk when I'm sick, guys. I'm sorry. My brain feels like a frozen pineapple right now. I really hope that we get at least a date for the beta really soon. Because I know you guys... Look, I went through withdrawal after I played the demo version at the Destiny 2 reveal event. It was the same feeling I got when I played the alpha of Destiny 1. I wanted to play more. They hooked me in. So we'll have to see what happens. They're going to be at E3. Let me know what you guys think they're going to show at E3. And also let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are on the whole dedicated server. Whether you're a PvP pro or if you live abroad and have issues with regards to connections and things. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. That's it, guys. Do me a favor. Drop a like of this video only if you see fit. Follow me on Twitter at Mesa Sean. Check out my stream. Usually and always on YouTube. And that's it. I am out of here like Vladimir.